Hello everyone, hope you're doing well. If you have a repair shop for small to medium-sized devices like cell phones or laptops, one of your biggest challenges might be organization and keeping track of parts removed from customers' devices. To help with this, we offer a shelf service in the repair shop management menu, as you see here. This service allows you to store customers' devices and their components. First, label the shelves in your repair shop and add the number of shelves to Finty. You can add up to 200 shelves in the software. You can add the number of shelves here and then save. And then go ahead and mark shelves as full or empty accordingly. Full or empty. And then when a customer brings in a device for repair, Finty will automatically assign an empty shelf for the device. You can view the history of each shelf by clicking on the eye icon, which shows which devices have been placed on different shelves, as you see here. And when a customer comes to pick up their device, you can easily search for their name here to see which shelf their device is on. Here it is. This service helps with repair shop organization. However, for instance, if you're a mechanic and you repair cars, this service might not be useful for you. In that case, you can contact our support team to disable this service. And that is it. Thank you so much for watching this video. Goodbye.